Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just sitting in bed eating some cereal right now. I'm eating breakfast, but it's like noon right now. Brianna's parents are out there setting up her new bed, so it's pretty crowded out there, but that's fine. Haley wants to take me out for lunch today, so we're gonna go downtown. I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'll catch up with you guys later. Alright, you guys are in my steering wheel. So, finally leaving to go and meet Haley. We're gonna go to Green Cuisine, which I'm really excited about. I wonder if I can drive with you. This is like Emma Chamberlain who? Nah, she's got a way more professional setup. I wonder if I can put you guys on my sticky. Oh, is this gonna work? Probably not, let's be honest. Yeah, no, that's not a thing. 1 second, let me see if I can figure this out. Okay, I think I've actually mastered this, and I'm pretty impressed with myself. Like, damn. Okay. So, go. Back out of this. Really, it's not sketchy at all. Okay. Oh my god, you're still there. Hello. Okay, that didn't work. You guys fell. That's okay. This probably won't last very long, but we're gonna try it out. This is a new dynamic. This road is also really bumpy, and this lady's walking in the middle of the fucking road. Like, there is sidewalks, honey. Anyways, so Haley gets off at 3. It's like 2:45 now, and it takes about like 20 minutes to get downtown. So I'm probably just gonna meet her at Cadville Iron because there's free parking, and I'm a cheap bitch and I don't want to pay for parking, let's be honest. Does anybody? So, just got downtown. Ooh. Haley's here. I can't believe how awful that traffic is in the parking lot. I just wanted to turn around and nobody would let me in, and they were all looking at me with dirty looks because I wanted to turn. Heaven forbid I want to turn in a parking lot. So we're just walking down to Green Cuisine right now.
Is it open? Did you check again?
No, but I'm sure it'll be fine. We're just gonna play Russian roulette and pray for the best. We're gonna get some Green Cuisine, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I haven't been there in a while, actually. The last time I was there was on my birthday because I went and got like a birthday dessert. So
Did you tell them it was your birthday and they gave you something special?
No.
Or is it just like whatever they have there?
No, I just went in. Mike was grumpy because he had to deal with the traffic, and like there's literally nowhere to park near there.
Yeah.
So I just went in.
Oh wait, it's in Washington.
Yeah. Oh. I mean, same. It's open. I'm ready. I am so ready.
It looks delicious.
Okay, do I want focaccia bread or cornbread? They got vegan butter too. I'm making potato salad tomorrow and I'm so inspired right now. I usually get 2 falafels. I should be healthy and get some salad. I'm definitely not getting salad. And they have a sauce here, Haley. I usually get the cashew aioli. I'm gonna get some in a little container though. So this is I think it might be running out.
No! Is that one mine?
That's the cashew aioli. Maybe I'll get the goddess dressing and we can just share. Because this looks good too. I've never actually had this. So,
So then why do you keep it pigeon? Wait, you can't keep it crow? I'm not sure.
and then I think they have kombucha squash and broccoli. The sweet and sour tempeh and the tofu are actually really good.
I got some of the tofu.
I haven't had the eggplant parmesan yet. That's the eggplant parm. I have literally no more room on my plate. I need potato wedges. Are these the desserts?
I like this one. Sounds really good.
Hazelnut cream pie? Yes. Usually they have sushi there. I'm really disappointed. I'm getting these for sure though. So this is our meal. Yes, it is a giant plate of food. Do I care? No.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat it all.
Look at your eyeshadow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So pretty.
No, don't.
You don't even want to know how much this plate was, guys. But I got some healthy stuff. I got broccoli and kombucha squash.
Am I allowed to take a bite?
Some kimchi. Yes. Do a taste test.
Okay, what do I want to try first? I'm gonna try this.
The rice.
Garlic rice?
Good.
It is.
This dressing is actually really good. I think I want to dip a fry in it.
Hey, let's do it
I'm
up.
gonna do a taste test. This is the green goddess dressing.
Do I have to try it?
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna give me one of your fries? Okay. I'm so forgot.
It's kind of tangy. Like, what do you think's in that?
Tastes like it has a lot of vinegar in it.
It's good though. It'd be a good
like it.
salad dressing. It was in the salad area, so that's probably why.
Who cares? It still tastes good. Okay, potato salad time. Oh, it's very
There's a
gooey.
ton of dill in there.
It's good though.
Good inspiration for the potato salad I'm making tomorrow. Ellie's.
I'm really full, but I want to eat that dessert so bad.
We haven't even touched the dessert yet. You know me, I'm still going strong. I'm gonna finish this whole thing and the
I'm
dessert.
trying the dessert now. 'Cause
Which one was that?
the hazelnut one?
Yeah, I have half of the berry one and half of the hazelnut one. So
Kind of got a weird, like, texture to it. I'm not sure I like it.
they probably made it with like nuts.
It's good, but you can
Is
definitely
it grainy?
Yeah, a little.
Yeah,
It
it's
has
probably
that
made
weird,
with
like-
nuts.
It's good though. I mean, I don't think I would probably eat another one. But
It's good though. So I kind of like started eating half of this, but I've already had half of it before, so I'm gonna try this one because I haven't tried this one yet. I see what you mean about the grittiness. It's good though.
it's got good flavor. It's just,
It's almost like a mousse.
yeah,
It's kind of like a mousse.
good though.
Which side are you on? Oh my god.
I don't know. Okay, go on this side.
I literally feel like I've gained 10 pounds in one sitting. Like my belly is like,
Mine too, though.
I got a potato belly.
It's okay.
Like if anyone asks me if I'm expecting today, I'm gonna say I'm expecting a food baby because that's how I feel right now. So worth it though.
Gotta walk it off.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Value Village, I think, and do what we do best. Go thrifting. They have a sale in here or what? Like, holy
You know where I
shit.
always go to, my first place.
Scrubs. Yes. See if they have any cute scrubs on sale. It is like literally bumping in here. Like, do they have a sale or do they not?
Maybe they do.
What's going on? Oh, that is not a dress. That's a shirt.
Okay, well, from far away it looked like a...
I'm looking at the blouses. Trying to see if there's any cute patterns. Usually I'll just like go through and if there's anything that pops out to me, then I'll pick it up. Oh, this is from American Eagle. Why is this extra small? Am I in the wrong? Oh, I'm in the wrong size. Where am I? Oh, that's cute. Oh my. Ew.
It's totally me.
That is you.
And I like this one, but
Oh my gosh, I love that.
I thought you would like it.
I love that. It wouldn't fit you? That's cute.
Yeah, but it's more you than me.
Aw, that's nice. $7. I actually do need some like basic flip-flops. These still have the price tag on them. $2, man. For highlighter flip-flops. I don't think I need highlighter ones. I just want like these ones. These are 99 cents. And they're my size. I might buy them. 99 cents? I'll take them. Oh, these are cute. Oh, just kidding. If they were plain pink. Oh, you found Tom's?
Yeah, but they're kind of like
No thank you.
I think they've been chewed by a dog.
If I had somewhere to go though, I'd wear these because these are cute. Everything I try on today look like actual poop. Like this is literally the color of poop. Wearing like a sports bra with this, so if the bra looks funny, just ignore it. But can we picture this with a jean jacket? I feel like it would look really good with a jean jacket. Yeah, I kind of like this. It's cute. It's cute. The lighting in here is so bad. This is from Ginger. Never heard of that company before. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's kind of like that stretchy material. Let's ask Kaylee. Yes. What do you think? Do you like this? The size kind of weird though. What do you think though?
It's cute. It's flattering.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's supposed to do that. Because it's like see-through. It's a little bit see-through on the top. You like it though?
What do you think?
I think it's flattering. Oh, that's a cute scrub top. Yeah, I like that one better. Okay, well we like this one. I feel like when I'm not bloated, it'll look a lot cuter. It's like a cute little jacket or like a cardigan. The white top. Emily's probably like, oh my god, she's wearing white. I'm so impressed. It's got these little cuffs on the bottom. I feel like it'd be really cute with jeans. I'm just wearing leggings today because I'm lazy, but I feel like this would be really cute with jeans, like tucked in. It's cute. It's cute. I don't know. Don't have a tank top to try this on with, but I think it's really cute. It's a medium, but like to wear over like a shirt or something at night for like a party. Kinda like it. I want to go back in there again on the long weekend. We had to wait like 10 minutes just to get into a change room.
I feel like it's longer.
I spent like 16 bucks though. It's pretty good. I got some flip-flops and some perfume and a flannel and a tank top.
And I bought a
Not
scrub,
bad. Not bad.
which is what I normally buy.
Yeah. That's good though. We need more scrubs. You could always have more scrubs.
Okay, I have like 20 in my closet, like literally.
I have way too many. I don't even wear half of mine. I need to go through them. What Brianna's parents have been setting up all day.
And me. Thank you.
Yes.
I look like
New mattress. Belated birthday. Because we're both Aries. I need a bed like this. Like, damn, look at that storage. It sucks though, because the cat that we ended up adopting likes to hide under her bed all the time.
he's gonna be so mad at me.
Yeah, he's been in the bathroom all day, if you guys can see him.
So I'm giving him
He's from a hoarder house, so he's very shy, but this is Albus.
I'm giving him some wet food, so maybe he'll
Give him a little treat, hey? Hi,
he won't
buddy.
hate me as much.
Yeah.
I mean, he still let me grab him and pet him, so there's that.
Yeah. We'll be good because we gotta drive Maddie to the ferry today. So we're gonna let him like stay in here and kind of get used to everything. So I think it'll be good that I'll have some like alone time.
Yeah.
Cause it's been a long day.
Oh yeah. I was hoping like this would only take a couple hours, and then I could like do a full clean, wipe off everything, and it's 5:49, and my parents just left like 30 minutes ago.
I know, they got here at like 11. Yeah.
All right, honey.
Aww. He's so sad. It'll be good though. He'll have some time to calm down in
Want
there.
to film him? Like I just have to close my door.
Yeah. Just so you can say hi.
We've done this before, but you weren't in this carrier.
He's gonna go right for the bed and he's
Yeah.
not. Hi, buddy. There's no bed to hide under. Oh no. Oh no. He's like, oh no. I can't hide. Oh, honey.
On the windowsill.
Yeah. Alright, honey. We'll see you later. We'll see you later. Doing a couple of fries, but they have a promotion for strawberry pies. I usually get the apple pies. Ooh, this is cloudy. 1 second. There we go. I usually get the apple pies, but the strawberry ones are vegan as well, and they never have them, so I never order them anymore. So I'm gonna have a strawberry pie. Okay guys, I literally just got home from driving
Maddie to the ferry, and I'm exhausted to say the least, and probably gonna make some tea, watch a show, and then pass out. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's been really casual lately because I'm just trying to like dip my toes back in the YouTube pool, you know what I'm saying? Little dip, and then I'll be right back into it. But I'm coming strong. I told you guys I would, and I am. So anyways, I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!